If you own my tireless eyes, street lights go on empty roads, every horse learns how to ride. I read your name into the dawn, but the letters slip away. All this time I let it fight, still don't know how to stay. I'm standing in the town now, waiting for the pain to fade. Every word I never said falls back down as rain. Let it rain on me, let it wash my soul. I've been holding on too long, trying not to let go. If this pain understands, let it pass again. If I break tonight, I swear I'll rise in the rain. Keep the fire in my hand, but never let it show. Every route I walk alone led me back to what I know. Your shadows dancing on the wall, like a song I can't escape. I've been smiling through the scars, trying hard to stay away. I don't need a perfect sign, I just need to feel the truth. If I'm lost inside, it's true. Let it rain for me too. Let it rain on me, let it wash my soul. I've been holding on too long, trying not to let go. If this pain is all the stakes, let it fall again. If I break tonight, I swear I'll rise in the rain. Just a moment I can breathe. If I fall, I fall standing on the ground outside of me. Let it rain on me, let it pour tonight. Every tear I try to hide, find its way to light. If tomorrow I am changed, if I'm not the same, I'll give all the guns I'm down to the rain. To the rain.